So we all know that the worst part of any teeth cleaning is that when I take out my scaler and I put it over your teeth and it makes that horrible squeaking sound. It goes right through you and you can feel it all over. It's not comfortable, and as a dentist, I know that. With our new EMS cleaning machine, this is completely different. The first thing is it's got an AI generated tip. So that tip gives feedback to the machine, which will adjust the vibrations coming through the tip of it. So actually it's much more comfortable because it's using only the amount of vibration which is necessary, which means that as a whole, usually it's much lower. The other thing is that it has warm water flushing through it, which is a much gentler clean. That horrible cold feeling is gone. That warm water just spades the teeth and makes it much easier for you. It's this next generation cleaning. The tip is so small, it's very, very minimal vibration. The comfort is one that you wouldn't even believe. Welcome to the next generation of scaling and polishing, where pain and discomfort is a thing of the past.